Hello, my name is Rebecca Rashar, and for my phenomena, I am presenting a lesson and standards for sixth grade. I'll actually be in a middle school sixth grade classroom starting next week, so this is something that might be something about along the lines of what they might be learning when I get there. And my standard is analyze and interpret data on properties of substances before and after the substances interact to determine if a chemical reaction has occurred. So this is involving chemical reactions. In the clarification statement, that talks about sodium hydroxide reacting with fat and other such things. The disciplinary core ideas are the structure and properties of matter. So regarding the characteristics of physical and chemical properties and about chemical reactions. So substances react chemically in characteristic ways. In a chemical process, the atoms that make up the structures are regrouped into different molecules. So this is kind of just like a maybe something that would be presented at the beginning of a unit on chemical reactions. So I am going to get started then. Okay, class, so I know we've been talking about different kinds of reactions, and we talked about physical reactions and what those look like, and now I have a video to show you about a different kind of reaction, and then we will break up into groups and talk about it. Okay, so you can break up into groups now with the person sitting next to you, and we are going to talk a little bit about this video. So some questions to think about while you're discussing is describe what you see happening in the video. What is this video of? What changes occur in the match as it's burning? Think back to the video about what was going on. What were you seeing? What conclusions can you draw from this video about the type of reaction that is happening? So talk about this with your partner, and then we can talk about it as a class afterward.